Former MLB pitcher Dan Serafini has been convicted of murder and attempted murder in connection with the 2021 shooting of his in-laws at their Lake Tahoe area home in Homewood, California. A jury in Placer County delivered the verdict following nearly 3 days of deliberations, concluding a dramatic 6-week trial that brought to light years of family tension, financial intrigue, and a secret affair. Prosecutors said Serafini waited more than 3 hours before fatally shooting his father-in-law, Robert Spohr, and wounding his mother-in-law, Wendy Wood. Spohr, 70, died at the scene, while Wood survived the attack but tragically died by suicide in 2023. Surveillance footage showed a hooded man entering the home while Erin Spohr, Serafini's wife, was out on a boat with her parents and children. Investigators later identified the figure as Serafini. Alongside murder, Serafini was also convicted of burglary but acquitted on charges of child endangerment. Authorities uncovered threatening email exchanges and evidence that Serafini had previously spoken about paying to have his in-laws killed. At trial, prosecutors floated a financial motive, pointing to an $11 million family trust and additional assets. Erin Spohr testified to the value of her parents' estate at the time of the shooting. Key to the prosecution's case was the testimony of Samantha Scott, a former nanny and Serafini's mistress. She told the court she drove Serafini to and from the crime scene and later lied to protect him. In exchange for her cooperation, Scott faces a reduced charge of accessory to a felony. She said Serafini was someone she deeply trusted and confided in. Serafini's defense attempted to discredit Scott and raised questions about the surveillance footage, claiming a height mismatch. Still, prosecutors asked jurors to weigh the full scope of evidence, including Serafini's history of conflict with the victims. Once a professional athlete who pitched for 6 MLB teams over 7 seasons, Serafini's post-baseball life spiraled downward. He made headlines in 2015 when he appeared on Bar Rescue after buying a bar in Sparks, Nevada, with help from his parents. The rebranded Oak Tavern eventually closed. Now, Serafini awaits sentencing in August, facing life in prison for a crime that shattered a family and stunned the sports world.